Hi, and welcome to the course on building a linear regression model, which will be your first and most critical step in mastering machine learning. This course is created from a business perspective. In this course, you will learn how to develop the solution to your business problem using linear regression. How is this course different from other resources available online or offline? The main difference is that this course covers all the steps that one should take while solving a business problem through linear regression. Most courses only focus on teaching how to run the analysis, but we believe that what happens before and after running the analysis is even more important. That is, before running the analysis, it is very important that you have the right data and do some pre-processing on it. And after running the analysis, you should be able to judge how good your model is and interpret the results to actually be able to help your business. So, how do we know these steps? This course is created by two of us. I am Abhishek and my partner here is Pukhraj. As managers in global analytics consulting firm, we have helped businesses solve their business problem using machine learning techniques. And we have used our experience to include the practical aspects of data analysis in this course. So is this course the right fit for you? If you are a business manager or an executive or a student who wants to learn and apply machine learning in real world problems of business, this course will give you a solid base for that by teaching you the most popular technique of machine learning, which is linear regression. However, if you are searching for a course which covers in-depth mathematics behind machine learning or a detailed course on R, this is not that course. In this course, we will use R and statistics as a tool to solve the problem. So only that part of R and statistics will be covered which is relevant for linear regression.